The second success factor in holding a successful strategic planning exercise is the run. What are you going to do to relentlessly drive toward the outcomes you're after? The first factor in preparation is important, but you do need some flexibility when you're running the sessions, regardless of how long it is. It's okay to pivot for critical issues, but not go down rabbit warrens, which typically are quite operational. It's important as you run it to keep the energy flowing and, in fact, the team fed. Build it in, ensure it's a focus, because it's little things like food and heat and cold and light in the room that can really undermine a successful event. But most importantly, mix it up. Don't have all-in conversations. Work in pairs and groups, because that enables everyone to contribute at their level and ensures, most importantly, that the loudest voices don't dominate debate. Include icebreakers and get-to-know-you activities, because they also really drive energy. As you're going through the sessions, build with an eye to action. Capture the insights as you go and the outputs on flip charts and whiteboards, but most importantly, focus on the actions and no wordsmithing. There's no time for that, and there are probably better people to do that later. I like to check in on the capacity and capability of the organisation and the people as you're starting to develop those actions. Do you have the right capability and capacity? Because at the end of the day, it's all about implementation. If you don't, build that into your actions as well. And finally, when you're running these sessions, I like to finish with a 90-day session. That is, what are you going to do now when you get back to the office? And it might be as simple as having a top 5 priority actions for the next 90 days, or developing a one-page plan, the now, where, how. There's a guide to the one-page plan, process and templates available on the website. And ensure you allocate champions to each of your actions so that people are accountable. And this is really key for ensuring delivery and setting yourself up for a successful do, which is success factor 3.